Hey guys, come do my makeup with me really quick. I already did my foundation, my base, eyebrows, eyeshadows. I just gotta do my blush, a little bit of contour in my lip. Okay, so now I'm just gonna do my blush.